YouTube. Let's do this song, Confidential by Broncho. Here's the playthrough. It's got potential, but it's confidential. Confidential. It's confidential. It's confidential. It's got potential, but it's confidential. It's confidential. Alright, there's the little playthrough of all three parts of the song. The first part of the song, C to E minor. So it's then it quickly goes to F. Back to E minor. C, E minor, F, E minor. That's the first part. That's the beginning and the verse. And then go to this little F shape, and this is the second part of the song. So I'm just walking down this F on this for the second part of the song. We're gonna walk down this F shape. So the bass line goes on the D string. So we just put a little diagram up. That repeats, I think, 3 times. And then it finishes on G. And then goes back to the C. The third part of the song happens towards the end. It goes it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. It's confidential. C, A minor, G. It's confidential. Back to C. It's gone, it's gone, it's gone. A minor, G. So it stays on the C. After the first time, you're going to play 2 measures on the C, because it's the last measure and the beginning of the next phrase. So it's C, A minor, G, C again. And then it goes back to the F. It's got potential, but it's confidential. It's confidential. At the end, they just are like la la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la la, la 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 la. All right, thanks for watching.